Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix RAM issues on Windows 11. Whether your computer is running slow because memory is full, or if you suspect a physical hardware error, the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now the first thing we need to do is identify a specific app that is eating up all your memory in the background without you knowing. So go ahead and right-click on your Start button, then select Task Manager. Now when the window opens, just simply click on the memory column header at the very top and look for any app that is using a huge amount, like 500 meg or 1 gigabyte, that aren't currently being used. And if you see any of those, you simply click on them and then click on End Task. Now that instantly frees up the space for the rest of your system. Now, if your computer is randomly restarting or giving you a blue screen, your RAM sticks might actually have a physical error. Now, we can test this out with a built-in tool. So whatever it is, just simply open your Start menu and then just simply type Memory Diagnostic. Then an app should appear in front of you with the name of Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on that. Now a small box will appear, and over here it'll ask you to restart now to check for problems. So click on this option and make sure to save all your work first before clicking this option, because it'll immediately send your computer to restart. Now when it restarts, it won't go back into Windows right away. You will see a blue screen with a progress bar. Let it run till it reaches 100%, and once it finishes, Windows will load up and show you a notification telling you if your RAM is healthy or if anything needs to be replaced. So now if your RAM is healthy, but you don't have enough of it, you can trick Windows into using your hard drive as an extra temporary memory. To do this, just simply click on your Start button and type View Advanced System Settings. Then click on this option. Now a small window will pop up in front of you, and over here in the Advanced panel, you should be able to see Performance. Inside Performance, you should be able to see Settings. Click on that. Now in this Performance Options section, just simply click on Advanced, and then over here, just simply click on Change under Virtual Memory. Now what you do is uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Uncheck this box over here, and then select the C drive. And after that, click on Custom Size over here, and then set the number based on the recommendation given below right over here. No need to enter the maximum size. Just simply click on Set, then OK, then Apply, then OK. And then this will give your system a safety net so it won't crash even if your physical RAM gets full. So that's it. Your computer should now run much smoother and more reliably than before. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.